Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas PC. And today we're going to talk about when you sell an asset. So, we're hitting the music now. Hi everybody, thanks again for finding us. Today we're going to talk about when you sell an asset, also known as the disposal of an asset. A lot of times people don't think about the sales tax ramifications as it relates to that, whether or not you should have charged sales tax when you sold that piece of equipment to a competitor or a friend or something like that. But note that the taxing authority in a lot of jurisdictions treat that as the sale of tangible personal property, which means that they want the value. They want sales tax to be charged on that disposal of the asset. So you need to understand that when you're making sales of equipment and other things that you know your business no longer has use of or no longer wants, when you sell it to someone, you may have to charge sales tax on that sale, even though it's not something that you normally do. It's not a normal part of your business. There are carve-outs as it relates to occasional sales, depending on the jurisdiction. But just note that when you are making that sale to someone, another entity, that you may have to charge sales tax on the disposal of that asset. And that is your tip for the week. If you have any questions, please let us know. Also, share the video, thumbs up. We love comments and subscribers. All links to information about us, what we do, and how you can contact us will be in the description box. And we hope to see you next time. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.